questions to the representative of BF Homes Incorporated. Just for the record, may we know the office address of BF Homes Incorporated?
1015 Tropical Avenue. Mr. Chairman, it's 1015 Tropical Avenue, BF Homes, Las Piñas.
How about the PWCC?
PWCC.
It's 63 J. Elizalde.
Elizalde. And the pipe laying being done by Maynilad, they're mostly in Paranaque, is that correct?
That's correct.
So why is it that you filed the case in court in Las Piñas instead of Paranaque? Just curious.
Because the jurisdiction lies in where the principal office of the petitioner is. And since the principal office of BF Homes is in Las Piñas, we were constrained to file the case.
But this is basically a matter of PWCC, which is located in Paranaque.
Your Honor, I don't believe so because it is also the CPC or the Certificate of Public Convenience is in the name of BF Homes.
But that has expired already.
May I be allowed to explain? The practice with our understanding is that even after the expiration, as long as you have already filed your application for renewal, you can still...
But that was denied.
Right now.
Yes, that was denied.
Right now, Your Honor, but we filed an appeal and a motion for reconsideration. We're going over.
Mr. Chairman, I'd like to go back to my motion.
Before that, I would like to give time for Honorable Shachitan and Honorable Talese.
You know, I'm really trying to find the win-win formula here whereby all the players can really sit down, Maynilad, the developer, and the United BF to finally just give it one last shot. The way perhaps of a marathon session, work 14, 20 hours a day and come up with a formula. In Better Living many years ago, there was a problem like this and it was solved. Because at that time, we all decided it was a mess, as messy as this one. We all decided that we had one person in Better Living that would probably, at that time it was Father Quaranta. And through his intercession, we were able to solve this problem. So I'm really hoping that we can agree on somebody that would probably give it one last try, whereby all the parties are present. Because my worry, Mr. Chairman, is that this may end up in suits, counter suits. This will go on forever and nothing's going to happen. So I'm just willing to give it one last shot. That if all the players are amenable, you choose Bishop Mercado or Pope Pius XII. At least let it not be said that we did not give it one last chance, because otherwise these suits and counter suits and investigations will lead nowhere, and at the end of the day we will still have no water, which is our concern. We certainly like to make everybody have the water, which is that's all I have to say, Mr. Chairman. I'm really hoping that at the end of this session we can agree to give it one last shot, with all the players facing each other, with one principal facilitator, maybe Congressman Roilo or Congressman Golez, since we're both from Paranaque and we might get use of taking sides. That's all I have to say, Mr. Chairman.
All right, Honorable Talese.
Yes, I just have to pursue. Say I had a statement from BF Homes. They were speaking about their rights as a water distributor. Paano naman yung rights ng mga pinabibigyan ng tubig?
Wala.
Ibig sabihin, when one speaks of one's right, the right is accompanied by the responsibility. The responsibility and the reality is walang tubig. So, in other words, kung walang tubig, inaako pa rin ninyo na you're the concessionaire. I cannot reconcile that, Mr. Chairman. I cannot reconcile na you have the concession, pero hindi mo naman kaya magbigay ng tubig. Eh, nag-aabang lang naman yung Maynilad. Nag-aabang lang na pwede naman sila magbigay ng tubig. Bakit di papasukin? Now, I cannot accept, Mr. Chairman, that the water concessionaire is claiming that they have not recovered their 60 million. Alam mo, wala yun eh, negosyo yun eh. Diba? Hindi mo pwedeng nalugi ka eh, sagutin pa rin ng tao. Take or pay ba ito? Parang power. So in other words, Mr. Chairman, nagme-medal na eh. Model na yung issue, Mr. Chairman. Mula developer sila, ngayon water concessionaire. Okay lang. Okay lang, water concessionaire kayo. Kung may tubig, kung malinis ang tubig, kung 24 hours ang tubig. Now, I still would like to pursue, Mr. Chairman, na ito na opportunity na kahit pa paano maipasok na ng Maynilad para magkaroon na ng tubig yung mga tao, no? Na 24-hour basis. I was wondering, gaano kabilis ba makakapasok ang Maynilad after ma-lift ng TRO or probably the chairman can prevail upon the judge na alam mo, kailangan tao mga tubig, huwag mo na patagalin yung TRO na yan, ano ha? So how fast can the Maynilad provide water to the community? And ito malungkot, balita ko maniningil daw kayo sa latak nyo ng kuwan ng mga pipes. Totoo ba yan?
In honor, totoo yun dahil we're governed by existing policies under PD 1345 as well as rules of MWSS, which we are just implementing. Under the rules, really the distribution system inside the private gated subdivision has to be shouldered by either the homeowners or the developer.
Pakiliwanag mo lang. That is a rule coming from MWSS.
Pursuant to PD 1345, which was
Kaya nasa akin ng 1345, dami lang nakakita itong bayan.
yung sa implementing rules.
Well. Diyan lagi nagkakatalo sa mga IRR na yan eh. I've always been very ticklish about IRR. The IRR is not the law. Okay? I think this PD has the effect of law. So, huwag natin gamitin yan, no? Ang punto ko lang, you are the concessionaire. It is in your responsibility to provide water. So, kung may mga development na gagawin, I think it's inherent with the concessionaire to provide. Total factor, hintay yan sa kanilang computation. Hindi naman dapat absorbin ng yan ng customer, no? Because kaya binigay yung prangkisa sa inyo, kasama yan eh. Diba? So anyway, I think that we can resolve that. Paano mabilis ba? And by the way, may existing lines naman sila, no? Meron silang tubo, wala lang silang tubig.
Unfortunately, hindi na po ang assessment namin, hindi na po pwede mo.
Well, sabagay, asbestos pa yung tubo nila.
Not only that, Your Honor, it's been useless for several years now, so hindi na talaga.
Anyway,